So, to add and organize blocks, first, you gotta turn on the edit mode, just toggle it on. Once it's on, you'll see a sidebar on the side of your screen. There you can find things like the calendar, announcements, and upcoming events. Now, what you're gonna do is look for the option that says Add a block. Click the plus sign and a tab will show up with a list of blocks you can add. There are lots of options. For example, under Activities, you can see details related to your subjects or students. Just choose whatever you want, depending on your liking. For instance, if you pick Online Users, you'll see who's currently online right on your sidebar. You can also go back to the main page and add more options like a blog menu, for example. And just like that, boom, it's there. If you want to remove a block, just click the three dots on the upper right corner of the box and select Delete. And that's it. That's how you add and organize blocks on your page.